5:30 p.m. Steve just shoveled. It's already getting built up. Oh, it's cold. Looking down my steps. Can't even see the steps, really. It's like a mountain. Oh my gosh, that's got to be... It's the tops of my shrubs. Very deep snow. Complete blizzard. 9 o'clock. It's 11:30 p.m. and there are blobs of snow stuck to the window, so I got a splotchy view. The snow completely is covering up the stairs. The cars are starting to get buried. No sign that anybody has shoveled, even though they have. Fire hydrants getting covered up. It lightninged and thundered at about 10 o'clock. The lights have flickered. 12:30, I'm going to bed. Okay, it's 12:30. This is a crazy view. Look out the window. That's a snowdrift. Oh my gosh, we're getting even more snow.
Oh my gosh, how'd that happen?
Gigantic snowdrift.
How'd that happen?
Whoa,
How'd that happen,
somebody's shoveling out their car.
That's a lot of snow.
That is totally a snow day.
8 a.m.
Wow. Nobody could even drive.
Oh, look at our neighbor is doing for everybody. Look how deep. And there's Maggie. And the Lau boys are digging out Sandy's car for a mere 20 bucks. Here it is, 12 noon. Here's the view. It's our street. So now it's 1:30 and not very many people have moved their cars.
See the big snow plow, like how much snow it had in front of it.
Yeah. Go for it!
Oh, it's got brakes. Look at that. God, things have changed.
Woo! All right.